Hello Internet, Matthew here for another episode of Whiteboard Hero, where I bring to you an expert on a thing and they tell you about the thing. Did it.
It was really good.
That was smooth.
It's really smooth.
I'm here today with the lovely Andrea, Cillo, an amazing acupuncturist I would know from personal experience, and today she is going to teach you about...
Chi.
Yes, that thing. What is the thing?
So Chi, we translate it as energy, but it's actually a pretty weak translation.
Mm-hmm.
You'll find that's true with a lot between Asian languages and Western languages,
Right.
is that what the picture shows, we don't have a real word for within the English language.
Mm-hmm.
So Chi, for example, is rice cooking in a pot with steam coming out of it.
It sounds like a 90s alternative song title.
What kind of music did you listen to in the 90s?
There's that one hit. It was like standing outside a broken phone booth with change in my pockets.
Sounds like a Fall Out Boy song.
It could be.
Anyway, back to Chi. So Chi is rice cooking in a pot with steam coming out of it. And like I said, Chi is all of those things. It's the rice before it's cooked, the rice after it's cooked. It's the steam, it's the fire that cooks it, it's the pot that it's cooking in. Literally
all things
everything.
in the universe.
All things are encompassed by Chi. And the best word that we have to describe that is energy.
Mm-hmm.
I made this joke at a lecture and nobody got it, but maybe you guys will.
I will.
So, okay. Anyway, so you've seen The Last Jedi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? So Luke is
Unfortunately.
training, well, it wasn't that bad. Luke is training Rey and he says, reach out and tell me what you feel. And she reaches out and she fails the first time, of course. But the second time when she reaches out, she says, I see lightness and I see dark and I see life and I see suffering and I see joy and I see all of these things. That is what Chi is. It's that force, to use the word, it's the force that would drives life itself and all of the things that are kind of encompassed within life. So Chi is the force and acupuncture, so therefore Jedis.
She's been waiting a long time to just say that online.
I said it and one person kind of chuckled in a lecture and I was like, well,
that's it. That's
thanks,
all I get.
man. That's all I got. And I was like, next slide.
So when I was in massage school, that was a beautiful way of explaining it, by the way. When I was in massage school, we learned about the different forms of Chi, and that it got more and more condensed was another way that my teacher had explained it. Is that you had it more like the steam, and then more like the rice. So this pictogram really is what this character is more of a pictogram. Because I can see the pot, I can see the rice, I can see the fire, I can see the lid, I can see the steam. So it's all of those things in it at once. But would you say that there's multiple sides to even just this illustration about what Chi is? That it's so abstract, hard for us to think about, that we have to think of it in like different layers?
Well, there are actually different types of Chi. And I guess you could sort of understand them as different layers. So, for example, you have like the Chi that your body creates from the food that you eat. You have the Yuan Chi, which is our life force. For each one of us personally.
Battery power.
Your battery power. There's the Chi that we get from breathing. And all of these different types of Chis will combine within the body, and that's what gives us the animation that we have for life. So
you are certainly animated.
I use my hands a lot.
Italians. Thanks very much. Much appreciated. This has been another episode of Whiteboard Hero with Andrea and Matt. Hope you got some value. Catch you on the next one.
See you later.